Hello, Amazing All-Stars. Today is Friday, December 3rd. Let's look at our calendar for our number corner. Wow, we have been studying our 3D shapes. We had a peanut butter jar, which we said was a cylinder. We had a box of crayons that looked just like a rectangular prism. That's a lot to say. And today we're going to find out what is on our calendar. What shape do you think it will be? Do you think it will be a cylinder? Do you think it will be a rectangular prism? Do you think it will be a sphere? Or do you think it will be a cube? Let's find out. Dun, dun, dun. Whoa! There's some grapes! What 3D shape do they remind you of? I see that they're round. They don't have any corners or any flat, what we call faces or surfaces. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Oh, they look like a sphere. A sphere is what we would say is the best way to describe these grapes if we were thinking about 3D shapes. So let's go to our grid, and we're going to put grapes right here by the sphere. So we'll add that information to our chart, that the grapes remind us of the sphere. And I have to say this. Grapes has that silent E. Grape has a silent E at the end. Grape. We add the S on it because there's more than one grape. Grapes. Let's move on with our activities. It's time for us to now explore and add another day to our chart. We have been in school now for a lot of time. A lot of time. We added on another day, and now we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 63 days. 63 days. So we are now going to add that information to our chart. Here we go. We'll go up here now and make this 63. Have the number word 63. Have 60 plus 3. Then we'll have 55 plus 5 plus 3. So make us think now. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62. We need to add another penny to make it 63. We're going to say 64 minus 1. And 65 minus 2 would give us that 63. We'll come over here to our number tree and make our tree about the number 63. We will even make it 60 and 3 below. Great information, All-Stars. Great information. Explore this. If you need to pause it to look over each one of these, you can take that time to do it now. Please hurry back to the video once you've explored it for more information. We have been doing quite a bit. I want to pull another card so we can figure out the time of day it is. If you look at this chart here, we have midnight. These are the hours of the early morning when we are all sleeping. Midnight, 1 o'clock in the morning, 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 5 a.m., 6 a.m., 7 a.m. You might get up about 7 or even 8 a.m. in the morning. 9 a.m., we're together in class. 10, 11, 12 p.m., we are together in class. Then we get into our afternoon, excuse me, our afternoon hours, which is really, if we kept counting, you wouldn't say 13 o'clock. It would really be 1 o'clock in the afternoon, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and so on. Let's find out what we will be doing with the card, because we talked about our AM and PM. So I'm going to have the AM here, I'm going to have the PM here, and I'm going to actually draw a line on this to separate what we would be doing different times of the day. We already figured out that we would be eating breakfast in the AM in the morning. Whoa, this looks like someone working. But what I notice is, we look at it very closely, it's dark outside and the moon is out. Would that be AM or PM? You're right. That would be in the PM. If someone could be doing their homework when it is dark. And as we know, it gets dark very, very, very early now. So that is the PM information. Last thing I want to do is take a moment and talk about these 3D shapes. So we have a cylinder here, and I want to show you a quick video about cylinders to help you understand the shapes that help make a cylinder. So watch carefully.
Properties of cylinders. Cylinders are a type of 3D shape. You probably have lots of cylinders at home. Cylinders can be any size, but they all have the same properties. Cylinders have two flat circular faces. Cylinders have one curved face. And they all have two curved edges. But cylinders don't have any vertices.
That means corners. Very good. So, dears, as we continue to explore more and more information about 3D shapes, I always want you to think about, wow, we have the circle on the top here and the circle on the bottom for a cylinder, and no corners. There are no corners on a cylinder. We can even think about our peanut butter jar, our jar of peanut butter that we saw on our calendar to remind us, wow, that 3D shape really does have those things we just mentioned. A circle on the top, a circle on the bottom, and no corners. My dears, have an amazing day. I look forward to talking to you more and more about math. Have fun.